Yep, hi all. So yes, here we go. So this is the next project for me. So I'm going to do a full restoration on this, and this is one I'm going to be keeping for myself. There's a pair of these, and the other one went to Gary. I think it was must have been last year. Gary had the other one. He's in Bournemouth, friend of mine, and he absolutely loves it. So that on there, we just got it on there running, just did a very light restoration on it, and he just uses it and he's enjoying it. So that's great. This one here, I wanted to do a full restoration on this one. So obviously I'm going to be keeping all of the logos on there, but taking the body shell off, restoring the chassis, putting on, well, probably very likely putting on new tyres if unless the tyres are salvageable and in good condition. The Rally Chopper tyres, which are just there with the red lines on them. New side stickers, of course, and retain the front stickers. Headlight looks good on it. Grey boot model, there's no lock on there, so I'll see if the lock's, in the boot anywhere or not. There's some keys and stuff in there, so the lock might be in the bits and bobs. Yeah, you've got all the bits and pieces on the back, so love all that. Serial number still present down there. Yeah, looking good. And realistically, I'll probably fit John Webster's front disc brake kit on this, I'd imagine, as well, just because I like those. So happy days. There we go. Definitely needs a new front tyre. Yeah, it's definitely knackered there. Yeah, that's just a very, very sort of quick, very, very quick look at it. And you know what? Let's lift it up and have a look underneath here. There we go. So it doesn't look too bad at all. Just looks like unrestored. Looks like light surface corrosion on there. And I say hopefully the rear tyres will be salvageable, just because it saves money, and I do like using those tyres as well. And I've got no need for them on anything else, so it'd be nice if I can use them. There's no chain tension on there as well, but say there are a few bits and pieces that came with the C5 as well. So I'll have a look and see what's on there. Yeah, there we go. That's the next project that's coming up very shortly. Right, yes, hi all, here we go. So I've actually lifted off the body shell, took literally maximum 1 hour to get all the nuts and bolts and screws out. The only problem I had was one at the back here. One of the back light screws, that was the only issue I had. That was rounded. Drilled it out, no problem at all. Everything else, including the handlebars, all came out fine. All the side screws, everything else. So yeah, this is the first time I've lifted it off. So yank on there. Obviously the wiring loom will still be attached to the tunnel. Take it off carefully. Just roll it around one side so everyone can see. There it is there. Right, let me take the camera. So I don't want to pull it yet, because I want to make sure that I can get the loom out just carefully without damaging anything, that the black tubing that's underneath there. But yeah, you can see here it's the first time the body shell has been off. So it doesn't look bad on initial look. Yeah, lots of sort of sprayed on grease and stuff there. Customary spiders. Yeah, doesn't look too bad at all. So yes, so during the week I'm gonna basically take all electronics off, give that a good old jet wash, remove the tyres, wheels, all that sort of stuff, and then go from there. And then basically ultimately take it all apart, rub it down, paint it, refurbish it, back on again. Cool, there we go. Cheers all. Right, yeah, so incredibly easy to take this one there apart. Nothing seized other than that one rounded screw on the rear light. Otherwise, everything else came off incredibly easy, so that's great news. So yeah, as you can see, the wiring loom is now just out. I've just, they do come taped, but basically I've put, some of the tape's basically old and fallen off, so I've now cable tied it as well. So when it goes back in again, goes in nice and easy and in the correct positions and all that sort of stuff. So yes, all looking good. So I'm going to lob this shell outside now, ready to jet wash that carefully tomorrow, being careful of the serial number sticker underneath these two stickers here. Obviously this is painted on, these are, so I'll be careful of those as well, and then basically just get rid of the side stripes with the jet washer and just a general quick clean round on that. But that will be scrubbed properly by hand when the rest of it's done. And then I'm going to remove the electronics as well, and obviously the motor, etc. And then just give that a blast at the same time whilst I'm at it, because obviously everything I've taken off, all of that, and refurbishing every single component on there. So yeah, no drama at all. So perfect. That's the end of video 1. Thanks for watching.